Yeah, hello guys. Today, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Oyeleki Sunday, Forex Trader. Forex Trader, the CEO of GBL Forex Academy. So today videos, I want to show us how you can use your Fibonacci retracement to determine the potential entry of your chart. So I just want you to know something is that there are some rules that follows trading, and you have to abide by the rules. So let's just put it in very simple terms. So if the trend is up, you know what you are looking for. You are looking for buy. Why the if the trend is down, you are looking for what? For sell. So I'm going to use this pair for a typical example for horse. A typical example for horse. So one thing I'm going to check about this is the major trend of this pair, and that is can be determined using my higher time frame, be daily or weekly. On weekly time frame, the trend has been down and you can see we have at the hedge here, we have the lower high followed by another lower high here, and and the potential lower high is forming here too. So here is a good entry sell here. It's a good entry sell here. So what I was looking at is my entry. Are you getting it? So what I'm going to do is to scale down to potential like higher time. I mean the another time frame, which is the lower time frame. That is 1 day. So when I get to the 1 day, I can see that the market has been struggling to make a new higher high, to make a new higher high. Though on 1 hour time frame, the market has made a retracement, as you can see, as you can see. Let me just show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 8 candles. That is 2 weeks. The market has been was making reversal, and when you get here, you see this level. The market gets to this level on some week ago, and it rejected in 2 days, and it is also forming here too. The market has get to this level too and make what rejection, and that is called price action. So, but my primary objective here is to look for a sell entry. And if I can get that, very simple. If I scale down to my entry pattern and using 15-minute time frame to get the entry pattern. But I want to show us how to can use Fibonacci to get our entry pattern. So now I've already determined that the trend is what is down, and knew that what I was looking at is my entry, like I said, using Fibonacci. So now let me go back to the daily time frame. So using Fibonacci, there's a rule follow it too. You're going to determine the previous edge, previous edge of the market of the price, and the previous at the top and the previous edge below the market. So as you can see, this daily candle. The daily candle we are into it. Let me just zoom out. Daily candle we are into it. Aha, the one that is formed is formed as a daily candle. That's one candle. So I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracement to determine my entry on that one candle. So now let me just check on the Fibonacci. As you can see, if you follow my guide on this screen, you follow as you can get your retracement using MT4. So this is my Fibonacci retracement, the candlestick. So if you want to draw it, you're going to draw it from below to up because it's downtrend. And if you want to draw it for uptrend from top to the up, as you can see now, from below, this is the Fibonacci retracement from below to the top. I'm looking for the top of the candle. So somewhere around here. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, that's it. So and the low price of the candle. I think this thing is not as zoom out. Let me zoom in out. So the below of the candle as of now is this. So I'm going to slice it like this so that you can see it. Now let me scale that to 1 hour. So on 1 hour time frame, okay, you can see, you can easily see the levels on the candle. Like from the top is 0, followed by 23.6, followed by 38.2, followed by 50, followed by 61. So this level are the one of the cogent level that you are going to look to enter your trade. Now the level that I'm looking for is level 38, which signifies a very good entry for sell. And the another one is level 26. That is very super one, entry sell. Well, as you can see, the market has been on downtrend. I'm only looking forward for sell order. You see the time frame as of now. Are you getting my point? So if I was to enter this trade here, I'm going to put my stop loss at above 23 or 0, and I will be targeting what the Fibonacci extension level. So let me put this here as entry sell, sell, entry sell. Okay, so and my stop loss will be, like I said, will be above the previous level, which is 23.6, and that is 69,739. 69,739. I'm going to say that now. 69,739. 69,739. 69,739, I think. Okay, 69,739. And put it 6,800, and my TP will be 600, 6,900. So modify. So that is how you set your Fibonacci retracement as well as your target. So let's look at the target here now. You know, this is 100, right? And the target is around the Fibonacci extension. Okay, the first Fibonacci extension, that is 61.8, and we have 60. You have 261. Oh, it's 261. So 261.8. So this should be the Fibonacci extension level. But for now, I'm going to target that one first. I'm going to target that level, then aim for the future. So that's it, guys. Guys, if you find this video useful to you, I want to hit the like buttons and subscribe to my channels, because I'm going to be updating, posting very relevant video that you can use for your potential and for potential trading opportunity as a beginner. Thank you. See you next time.